this bag here, this here, I got another one here, I got another one here, this here. If there's oil on the title, anywhere in the title, I'm definitely getting rid of it. My stylist told me specifically to avoid using that in products, so I won't even give that to my brother. Hey girlfriends, welcome to my channel. It's Gabrielle Ishell here, and if you have not noticed on my channel, I am doing this no oils, no butters detox and on a journey to healthier hair. So I'm not using any raw oils or butters in my hair or any products that have oils and butters in the first 5 ingredients. So I'm getting rid of a lot of products. I've already done a part 1, and I'm gonna count how many products I have when I'm done filming. I'll put it on the screen. It's over 100. This is a lot of products. So this is part 2. If you're interested in seeing the first part, go ahead and check that video out. It's already up. I'll put a link to it in the cards above and in the description box below. You can watch this one all the way through and then go and check the first one out. But I think these are really cool videos because you get to see all the products that I had. Although I've already done a natural hair product collection, product stash, product junkie video. I've done 2 of them. So you can check both of those out as well. Links will be in the cards and in the description box below. But now you get to actually see the products that I am getting rid of. So getting rid of means 1, donating. 2, it could be going in the trash if it's just trash, if it's junk. And 3, donating or giving to my brother because he has hair as well. So he's really been pushing me to, I guess, make this video because I'm like, I can't get rid of my products without showing you guys, my girlfriends, what products I'm getting rid of. So I have to do the video first and then he gets the products, which he's really excited about. And some of these products I just bought literally this year, so they are good products if you are about that lifestyle, which I'm no longer a part of anymore. So it's just time for me to say goodbye to them. So I'm just gonna finish up where I left off on part 1. Alright, so this brand, we all know this brand, and they used to be black owned. They're founded by a black person, but no longer black owned. Ouch. No longer black owned, but they still cater to natural hair. And that is none other than, you can't even see it from here, Shea Moisture. So I have quite a few products from Shea Moisture because I used to love Shea Moisture. You'll see them mentioned in my favorites videos from 2020, 21, and 22. And then they're in a lot of my empties videos, videos about transitioning to natural hair. They're all over my channel. So I did like them for what they were, but they probably aren't the best for my hair. They're very heavy and they do have a lot of oils in them. So it's just time for them to go. I guess I'll break it up by the line. So this one is from the coconut and hibiscus line. I have more products from the line as well. You have the Curl and Style Milk and the Curl and Shine Conditioner. Then I have some from the Raw Shea Butter line. This is the Deep Treatment Mask and the Moisture Retention Shampoo. I also have the conditioner. Then I have the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner. Then I have some from the Moringa and Avocado line. So I got a lot of Shea Moisture products because I won a giveaway, and I got a lot of free products from Influencer. So it's time for those to go. And then lastly, I have some products from the Manuka Honey and the Yogurt line. I actually never got to try these ones. So they're all full. Unopened, unused. These ones I think I'm going to be giving away and not necessarily throwing them away. I don't see the expiration date on these ones. So that was Shea Moisture. And then I have a lot of products here. They were cheap products because I got them like after a pandemic started, when stores weren't really getting sales. So they had, the Sally's Beauty had a lot of these on sale because they were just trying to get rid of them. So, and I don't even know what I was planning to do. Maybe I was going to use these for a wig, but Color Shots, it was 20 cents. So it's not like it really hurt my pocket. It's a temporary color additive. It's Bubble Head Pink. $20. I have the color Tripped Up Turquoise, Purple Passion, and then I have some really cheap shampoos and conditioners. I don't even know these names. I'm not even going to read them to you, but I can show them to you really quickly. Just show you how much I actually, this one, just showing you how much I actually bought. Like, that's crazy. I've never used any of this stuff. They were all less than like $2, so it wasn't that expensive. I'm not really hurt that I'm getting rid of those because I didn't even use them in the first place. Next, I have some from Boldify. They sent me these products. It's a hair thickening and then the hair boost. Time for those to go. I have one from Aunt Jackie's. This is instant detangling therapy. Inside the box, I have products from another brand. So I'll go over these ones first. Canvas Beauty, again, I have a whole bunch of these products. So I had like 3 or 4 of the growth oils. This one is basically almost gone. And then this one is unused. This is the new formula with the new wooden top. Then I have, oh, I love this one. I could probably use this for my body, but I already have one that I'm actually keeping upstairs. This is the Moisture Moolah Galore Drench. It's an oil, and you can see all of the good herbs in the bottom. And then I have the Wild Growth White Oil Moisturizer. So I did mix this one with like the Dew Grow in a video. I will link it up above. It's an oil, so it gotta go. And then lastly, this brand sent me some products. This is the brand. The brand is called AK2 Naturally Divine, Black owned. They sent me some shampoos, conditioners. There's oil, deep conditioner, and then there's a shampoo bar. So pretty cool. This is the bar. I might let my brother try these out. Smells good. Then I have 2 deep conditioners. I have some oils, hair growth conditioning scalp oil, hair growth daily scalp oil. Then we have black rice hair mask and activator charcoal shampoo. So this is my biggest declutter. I still am trying to hang on to some products upstairs. I have to go back and double check the ingredients on them, but I'm hanging on to them because 1, I never even tried the product before and I want to, or 2, I paid a lot of money for it and I'm not ready to part ways with it. So this is the very first huge declutter of my natural hair stash. There might be part 2 or part 3 because this is part 2. There might be part 3, but I don't know yet because I'm really hanging on to some products. So one of my followers did tell me to make sure I look at all the ingredients before I get rid of them. I'm actually okay with letting these go because if I haven't used it by now, if I haven't even tested it, tried it out by now, I probably wasn't even going to do that anyway. So it's time for it to go. Some of these products I have for 3 years. Time for it to go. And some of these products just have oils and butters in the first 5 ingredients. Time for those to go because I'm no longer doing that. So thank you so much for watching part 2 of my natural hair declutter. It was actually kind of fun getting rid of these products. And now that it's on video, you guys can hold me accountable. Well, it's out of my bathroom. I had to bring these all the way downstairs, so they're not going back up because it took a lot for me to bring them downstairs. So y'all can hold me accountable too if you see any of these products in my videos, except for these conditioners that I'm saving. If you see any of these in my videos, feel free to call me out. I'm serious. Y'all can call me out because I am really this time getting rid of all of these products that no longer suit the journey that I'm on. And so I'm really excited about this journey. I've been doing no oils and no butters for about 3 months now, and I'm really enjoying using high quality products. You can see my second attempt at a wash and go since my salon visit, and this is the first time you can see some curls here. Like, curls are kind of popping, y'all. So I just know if I continue down this path of using the quality products with the quality ingredients and using the techniques that they taught me and using the oils and the butters, I have a vision of how my hair is going to look, and I'm really excited about that. I am making progress. That means my hair is getting hydrated because it is more defined. It's able to take in some water, which it wasn't doing before. So it's really very interesting learning, actually taking the time to learn about my hair, not through YouTube or not through a YouTuber, through a professional, someone who went to school for hair. They're a cosmetologist, and I also bought a book from Black Girl Curls. So, you know, this is really exciting to me. And so I hope you guys can check out my No Oils, No Butters playlist because it shows my journey throughout this whole process. No, I'm not perfect. Yes, I am human, and I might skip a step or miss a step, but I am really enjoying this process. Black Girl Curls, they're cosmetologists, and they also teach cosmetologists through their course called Kinky. My stylist that I chose is a Kinky alum, so she goes by the same things that they do. There was a lot of miscommunication about this whole no oils, no butters detox by YouTubers in like the last couple of years. And I think that kind of maybe altered people's minds about how they see this detox. YouTubers, they were doing it wrong. So you're supposed to use no oils, no butters, but there's a reason behind it. There's science. It's fact-based and science-based. And in addition to using no oils and no butters, you're supposed to be using products that don't have oils and butters in the first 5 ingredients. So some people were not using raw oils and butters, but they were still using products that had oils and butters in the first 5 ingredients. So they weren't doing the detox correctly and leading astray a whole bunch of people who were watching it. So anyways, I'm glad I really took the time to get educated on the whole detox and not just go off of secondhand knowledge from a YouTuber, because honestly, if they're not a cosmetologist, like I'm not, and that's why I say in all my videos, I was not educated on doing hair. I didn't go to school for that, so I'm just doing what I think might be best for my hair. And now that I'm actually partnered with a Kinky stylist who actually went to school for this, and she has a lot of clients that she's used this method on, I feel confident in her and I trust her with my hair, and I can see the progress that my hair is making. So I do believe in this no oils, no butters detox and this whole healthy lifestyle, healthy hair journey. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. I might not know all the answers, but you can definitely, and I'll do another video where I share resources because I found some podcasts. There's some curl educators on Instagram and all of that. So if you're interested in that, I can do a separate video where I share some of the resources that I've been using for this whole new journey that I'm on, which I'm really excited about. I just have like, I'm so excited about where my channel is going, because obviously it's different, because I used to be using all these products. I used to be doing reviews on all these products. And so obviously this is not that avenue is now in the past. I have a lot of great things in store for you guys, and I'm just loving it so far. It's really a simple lifestyle now. My wash days are a lot better. It's not as stressful. I'm wrapping. You can find all these, what I was getting ready to go into in other videos. I have a video where I talk about me and the reason why I started this detox. You can check that out, card above, link in the description box below. I just have a lot to say about this whole no oils, no butters detox, and I don't know, I'm just really excited. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Click the subscribe button, the bell to be notified when I post. And also share this video out to all your curve friends, because I know y'all love seeing natural hair product stashes. It's fun to see what products people are using or used in the past. So go ahead and share this video out. And check out part 1. If you haven't, it's in the cards and in the description box below. And stay tuned for the next one. Until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.